कि आप इनका ऑर्डर मानेंगे और हमारा ऑर्डर नहीं मानेंगे?
सर मैं इसीलिए माफी मांगना चाहता हूँ सर।
माफी हम आपकी एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकते इस केस में।
सर वी हैव ऑलरेडी सील्ड इट सर, और वैकेंट हमने सील किया सर पूरा।
वेयर इज द कलेक्टर? Direct the collector to take action against this officer. Because a junior officer gives him a letter कि हमारा 10 लाख का नुकसान हो रहा है, he will ignore the High Court's order.
My lord, I'm extremely sorry, sir. भविष्य में सर ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा सर, एंड आई एम
That is not. We want a written explanation from you. आपने परमिट कैसे किया?
सर
हमारे ऑर्डर का हमें समझ आती है, आपको हमारा ऑर्डर नहीं मिला। हमारे ऑर्डर का रेफरेंस करके आप कह रहे हो जिला अधिकारी ने कहा 10 लाख का नुकसान हुआ, तो हाईकोर्ट का ऑर्डर को मैं इग्नोर कर रहा हूँ।
सर मैं इसके लिए सर बहुत ही मतलब सर
No, you give a written explanation. This is something which action needs to be taken. It can't be taken lightly like this. You are Mr.
Kunal Raut, sir.
Mr. Raut.
Yes.
How are you permitting the liquor vent to function?
Sir, first of all, sir, I tender my unconditional apology.
No, there's no question of an unconditional apology in this case.
Sir.
We are not going to accept any unconditional. हमने आपको we gave you a limited order, और आप liquor vent चला रहे हैं।
Sir, it is already been sealed, sir. सारा सामान सर हम लोगों ने
सील किया आपने?
सर हमने पूरा शिफ्ट कर दिया था, उन्होंने 9 तारीख से शिफ्टिंग शुरू करी थी सर, और 12 तारीख
जो इन्होंने वीडियोस लगाई हैं, वीडियोस में तो बिजनेस चल रहा है, पूरी लाइटें जली हैं, पूरा स्टाफ है और सारा वहां पे सेल हो रही है। हाउ डिड यू परमिट दिस?
सर आबकारी को दिया था सर अपन ने कि आप 10 डेज के अंदर में पूरा उसको जैसे भी करके पूरा करके आप सील करके वापस हमें खाली देंगे।
आपको क्या ऑर्डर दिया था? What was the order of this court? Who was appearing for the state?
My lord, I am appearing, my lord.
Please tell us how did he permit this?
My lord, so far as my lord his explanation is concerned, my lord, I also say, my lord, that he has crossed the line, my lord.
We'll have to direct an inquiry against him.
My lord, what has happened, my lord? I'll just point out what he actually.
You see, the direction was he will seal the premises was sealed by him.
Yes, my lord. It was already.
He, along with the excise officers, will permit moving of the stock.
Yes, my lord.
He has permitted the vent to be opened.
Yes, if my lord may please, I'm just pointing out the context, my lord. It's no way an explanation, my lord, but it's just putting out, my lord, how he has acted, my lord, in this matter. If my lord may go to the reference tab, my lord, I have uploaded certain documents, and in that, my lord, may just consider document at serial number 9, my lord. Now, what happened, my lord, on 5/12/2024, my lord, after the my lord's order, there was a letter which was issued by in furtherance to that order, my lord, the liquor owner, my lord, that licensee, he must have approached the department, my lord. Then department wrote this letter on 5/12/2024, my lord. This is the letter issued and signed by the department, my lord, excise officer, and he said that he wrote it to the tehsildar and informed him that there is a loss of around 10 lakh rupees and the person is willing to.
What is the qualification of a tehsildar?
My lord, he is a class 3, class 2.
Educational qualification?
Sir, I'm sir B and MBA. I have completed engineering and MBA.
Mr. Raut,
Sir.
ये जो आपको चिट्ठी 5 दिसंबर को मिली,
सर,
सहायक जिला आबकारी अधिकारी,
सर,
ये हाईकोर्ट के डिवीजन बेंच से सीनियर हो गया कि आप इनका ऑर्डर मानेंगे और हमारा ऑर्डर नहीं मानेंगे?
सर मैं इसीलिए माफी मांगना चाहता हूँ सर।
माफी हम आपकी एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकते इस केस में।
सर वी हैव ऑलरेडी सील्ड इट सर, और वैकेंट हमने सील किया सर पूरा।
Where is the collector?
My lord,
direct the collector to take action against this officer.
My lord,
because a junior officer gives him a letter कि हमारा 10 लाख का नुकसान हो रहा है, he will ignore the High Court's order.
No, my lord, what he has done, if my lord will just permit me another minute, my lord, I'll just explain that also. My lord, what has happened, my lord, after that, my lord, and
You directly come to the order passed by Tehsildar on 5/12/2024,
Yes.
by which the Tehsildar is permitted
Yes.
to open the shop for 10 days.
Yes. Now, if
this permission can be granted.
yeah, I completely, my lord. Because that is why, my lord, I started with with an apology only, my lord. If my lord may please to see what he has mentioned, my lord, that within 10 days they will have to move the stock
Only on
and
the
close the.
What was our direction?
It's per day.
My lord, the direction was very clear, my lord, that it will.
Direction was he will only permit removal of the stock under the supervision of the, and he permits the vent to be opened.
My lord, what thereafter, my lord, has happened, my lord, on 9/12, my lord, an application was moved, my lord. After that, my lord, and in that it was mentioned that they have found the location where they will be shifting the shop, my lord.
We are not concerned with that. That is for the excise department.
Yes, my lord.
We had said this vent be sealed. He had sealed it. We said only stock to be permitted to be removed.
Yes,
और
sir.
ये लिख रहा है referring to our order.
Yes, but that entire order has been reproduced, my lord, in that. Certainly, my lord.
Then what action needs to be taken? There is no question of an explanation. No ignorance. He's a postgraduate.
Certainly, my lord. I bottom to that, my lord.
We must give an explanation how he passed this order.
My lord,
My lord, I'm extremely sorry, sir. भविष्य में सर ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा सर, and I'm
So that is not. We want a written explanation from you. आपने permit कैसे किया?
सर
हमारे ऑर्डर का हमें समझ आती है, आपको हमारा ऑर्डर नहीं मिला. हमारे ऑर्डर का रेफरेंस करके आप कह रहे हो जिला अधिकारी ने कहा 10 लाख का नुकसान हो तो हाईकोर्ट का ऑर्डर को मैं इग्नोर कर रहा हूं.
सर सर मैं इसके लिए सर बहुत ही मतलब सर
No, you give a written explanation. This is something which action needs to be taken. It can't be taken lightly like this. Take down by order dated 3/12/2024.
my lord, if my lord may please to consider one aspect, my lord. So far as my lord, so far as the shop is concerned, my lord, that has not already, my lord, they started shifting it on 9/12, my lord, and it was a condition, my lord, which he has even indicated in the order also, my lord, that if it is not done within a period of 10 days, because what was happening, my lord, the stock was quite large, it was around 7-6 crores, my lord. And therefore, my lord, he actually, in order to effectively implement, to hand over
No, this is not effectively implement. This is clearly to facilitate the shop owner to earn money.
Yes, my lord, if my lord may please to just consider, my lord, the Sthal Panchanama as well as the letter which was issued by the shop owner.
You see, we don't want to talk about things which we are apparent has happened in this case.
My lord, I certainly, my lord, I'm just. My lord,
No, we are. This could be a fit. This could be a fit case where departmental, not only department, vigilance inquiry is required against this officer.
My lord, I'll say, my lord, I'll just pray for the.
We want first him to give a written explanation how he permitted this, and then we'll consider what course of action to be taken.
My lord, my lord.
By order dated 3/12/2024, this court, noticing that the subject premises, i.e. commercial building containing ground plus 3 plus basement at plot number E-5/17 Vittal Market, Arera Colony, Bhopal had been sealed by the Tehsildar, permitted Messrs. Smriti Associates to approach the district excise officer as well as the concerned Tehsildar to remove the excisable articles, i.e. liquor, from the premises. This court further directed that on such a permission being granted by the district excise officer, the Tehsildar shall deseal the premises and permit Messrs. Smriti Associates to remove the articles from the said premises. And removal of articles shall be only after obtaining requisite permission from district excise officer and under the supervision of officers of the excise department as well as the concerned Tehsildar. A complaint was received from the petitioner bank that Tehsildar had not only desealed the premises but had permitted the liquor vent to operate from the said premises. Notice was issued to the Tehsildar to be personally present. The Tehsildar is personally present Tehsildar Mr. So-and-so, give your presence in writing. He states that a letter dated 5/12/2024 was received from the Assistant District Excise Officer stating that there was a loss to the exchequer of rupees 10 lakhs per day, and accordingly on 5/12/2024 he passed an order noticing the order passed by this court and directed and permitted the liquor vend to operate from the said shop. And further, for a period of 10 days. Well, sir, we are informed that the liquor vend has now been sealed by the collector.
By him only, my lord. By him only, my lord. Because they have shifted to the another location, my lord.
By the collector. Full stop. The action of the Tehsildar prima facie appears to be in contempt. No, the Tehsildar prima facie appears to be in contempt of the order of this court dated 3/12/2024. Accordingly, show cause notice is issued to the Tehsildar to show cause as to why proceedings under the Contempt of Court Act be not initiated against him initiated against him. Let the reply be filed within 2 weeks. List for consideration after 2 weeks. The Tehsildar shall be personally present in court on the next date of hearing.
My lord, in the meanwhile, my lord, the bank may take the position because now it is with the Tehsildar and it is vacant now, so the bank can take the position.
It's the 23rd of October was like this only.
We are informed that the premises have now been vacated and the possession is with the Tehsildar. Consequently, the Tehsildar shall comply with, which was the order?
23rd October.
23rd October.
23rd October.
With the order dated 23/10/2024.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
23/10/2024.